What if Apple finally gave the regular iPhone the screen upgrade fans have wanted for years? A new leak suggests that the base iPhone 17 could be getting more than just a small bump. We're talking about a bigger, smoother, and always-on display, the kind of changes that might actually make the standard model feel fresh again. The iPhone 17 lineup is already looking like a major shift for Apple. From redesigns in the Pro models to the rumored ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air, there's clearly a lot going on behind the scenes. But what's even more interesting is that Apple might finally be giving the base iPhone model some real upgrades, especially in the display department. According to analyst Ross Young, a trusted name when it comes to screen-related leaks, the base iPhone 17 is expected to have a larger display. Instead of the usual 6.1-inch screen, it could grow to 6.3 inches, technically 6.27 inches. This isn't a random claim either. Multiple leaks from different sources have pointed to the same change, making it feel more like a question of when rather than if. But size isn't everything. The base iPhone might also get something that fans have been asking for since it came to the Pro models, a 120 Hz refresh rate. Apple calls it ProMotion, and it makes animations smoother, scrolling more responsive, and the entire phone feel faster, even when you're just flipping through apps or reading text. Right now, it's only available on the Pro models. But if the leaks are accurate, Apple could finally bring this feature to the regular iPhone 17, and there's more. The same leak hints that Apple may also add support for always-on display in the base model. This would let users see the time, notifications, or widgets without fully waking the phone. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. It's also something that has, once again, only been available on the higher-end iPhones until now. If all of this turns out to be true, then the iPhone 17 could be the most exciting regular model Apple has launched in a long time. A larger display, smoother visuals, and always-on support would make it feel much closer to the Pro experience, without the higher price tag. It also makes sense when you look at what Apple did last year. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max both got larger screens moving up to 6.3 and 6.9 inches. Meanwhile, the regular iPhone 16 stayed the same size as before. So it seems like Apple might be making sure the base model finally catches up, at least in terms of screen size. But even with all these changes, the iPhone 17 Air might end up being the phone that grabs the most attention. This new model is expected to replace the iPhone Plus version, which had already taken the place of the Mini. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be extremely thin, and recent leaks showed it next to the iPhone 16 Plus, making its sleek new design even more noticeable. If Apple pulls this off, the Air could become the go-to option for users who want a big screen and a slim body. And let's not forget about the competition. Samsung is getting ready to launch its Galaxy S25 lineup, and those phones will be the main rivals to the iPhone 17 series. The Galaxy S25 Edge, in particular, is a super thin device going head-to-head with the iPhone 17 Air. So, will Apple's bold changes to the base iPhone be enough to win over users in 2025? Will the iPhone 17 Air steal the show with its ultra-thin design? It's going to be an exciting few months as we get closer to launch. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and if you're excited about the next iPhone, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates.